Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items on my list. Number 2, pen and paper. I mean, you gotta have something to write down your coordinates, your gadgets, and your wooties. Okay, if your phone dies, you gotta have something to write down. You write. Okay, that's how we got here. We wrote, but. Today, this is the Olight O-Pen Glow and Dessert Sprinkle. Yeah, of course. I mean, when you start collecting EDC stuff, you get on your dessert pinky. I got a whole toolbox, pink toolbox with different types of pink stuff in it. And all of my other one-offs, specialties, I keep in my pinky toolbox. But this is about this pinky pen, O-Pen Glow. Right, so this thing has a laser beam. There's the flashlight on the top. It's locked out right now. Now it's not locked out. Tip glows. Bow. Tip of the pen. That's why they call it O-Pen Glow. And then laser. Dun da da. And off. And then your light. High, medium, low. Or low, medium, high. Yep, low, medium, high. Turbo. And hold it down. Moonlight. Lockout. Beautiful. So, one of my favorite pens, right? Writes, has a laser beam, and the tip glows. And it has a flashlight. Flashlight, pen, tip glows, laser beam. Pocket clip, beautiful. Dessert sprinkle, you can't ask for more with this pen. It's my favorite pen of all my pens. With that being said, where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.